So the early reports is some of the big box stores are voluntarily pulling this medication off the shelf with suspected reports that there's an ingredient that might be contaminant that may lead to cancer. The European health organizations and the FDA are looking into that. According to the European organizations, they say there's no risk in small ingestion quantities, but the FDA is doing their own reports. So the big box stores, out of precaution, are pulling this medication just as a precautionary. There's not been an official recall on some of the over-the-counter medications. There are alternatives to ranitidine or Zantac, which is the commercially available product. There are other medications in that same class that could be utilized, but again, they would want to talk to their doctor or their healthcare provider. The FDA is not recommending stopping this medication at this point in time, but they're recommending looking into alternatives to this medication. If they are on a prescription medication, they would need to follow up with their physician to see what he or she would recommend as an alternative to the ranitidine. It can be confusing because there's a lot of medications, but this product right here is famotidine. It is in the same class of medications as ranitidine, so it would be an alternative that they could look for in their pharmacy or place that they shop. There are other medications that could be utilized that are a little different than that. It's a different class of medication, but also treats heartburn or reflux that they could find at their local store as well. But again, the important thing is that they talk to their healthcare provider and figure out what's best for them.